Want to know air pollution levels indoors and outdoors? We've got a solution for you. Prana Air brings you Square Monitor, a real-time air quality index measuring device that detects particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, carbon dioxide, and ozone levels along with the temperature and humidity around you. With Wi-Fi and GSM connectivity, the Square Monitor provides easy access to the real-time readings on your smart devices. The monitor can be easily mounted on the wall. Square Monitor can be easily operated with smartphones by simply connecting your monitor with AQI mobile application, available on both Android and iOS devices. Access your monitor's real-time data remotely on the application and get daily, weekly, and monthly insights. The application gives health recommendations based on AQI. Your kitchen could be the source of major indoor pollutants like TVOCs, CO2, and HCHO. Women are more likely to be exposed to these pollutants. It could lead to headaches, fatigue, nausea, and irritation in nose, eyes, and throat. Industries, vehicles, combustion, forest fires, power generation, and waste incineration are the main sources of outdoor air pollution. According to WHO, 91% of people are living in cities with exceeding limits of air quality standards. People spend 90% of their time inside their houses, offices, schools, and other buildings. Indoor air pollution can be 10 times more hazardous than outdoor air pollution. In office spaces, employees sit together in close proximity, which affects the air quality. As the number of occupants increase, the CO2 level goes up. In productivity, reduced thinking capacity, dizziness, fatigue, and nausea. The data displayed on the monitor can be cross-checked in real time on mobile application. You can also access the data on your smart TV through AQI application. The data could be analyzed in detail with AQI Web Dashboard. It includes graphical and chart representation of the data in different time frames for better interpretation. Export your monitor's data for any parameter with few clicks. You can generate a shareable link for the data. Compare your device's data with multiple other devices or outdoor monitoring station. Generate a QR code for your device and print. It allows the users to scan the QR and know the indoor air quality. Let's make monitoring air quality easier. Bring home Square by Prana Air.